For the September 11th survivors, the ones who got out of the burning buildings alive, there is much to be thankful for 1 year later, but it's been a difficult and painful year of recovery for some of them. Tonight we revisit Louise Kurtz, who was severely burned on just her second day on the job here at the Pentagon.
I remember everything. I was awake through the whole thing. So, yeah, I'm very fortunate to have gotten out, because I think there was only like 3 of us in the office that got out.
Louise Kurtz was standing at the fax machine on September 11th, her second day on the job at the Pentagon, when a hijacked plane blasted into the building right above her. Somehow, in the darkness and smoke, she escaped through a broken window. Then she passed out in a helicopter on the way to the hospital. 2/3 of her body was covered with 3rd-degree burns. The toxic smoke had damaged her lungs, and the doctors put her survival chances at just 50-50. Nobody mentioned that to Louise, though.
There was going to ever get no doubt in my mind that I was going to survive it. So I think nobody telling me how sick I was, it was probably a good thing, you know.
That was Louise Kurtz last December. She'd spent 3 months in the hospital and undergone 30 different surgeries. She was facing a long recovery, and she told us then that she was looking forward to getting prosthetic ears. Hers were burned off. Just a few weeks ago, she tried them on for the first time. After all she's been through, artificial ears may seem like a minor detail, but this was an emotional moment for everyone. For Louise and her husband Mike, who's been beside her through everything. For her mother, who has moved here permanently from New York to help Louise recover. And even for Bob Barron, the former CIA disguise expert who made Louise's new ears.
It's going to boost her self-esteem. It's going to allow her to interact with the public without the unwanted, you know, the embarrassing stares and the unwanted attention that is produced by her differences.
Louise should be able to hear better now. Her eyeglasses won't slide off anymore, and she can wear earrings again.
My husband got me these for my birthday.
But some of the wounds have not healed. The skin grafts on her face are covered with bandages to keep down the scarring. Louise is facing at least 2 more years of surgeries to try to restore her appearance to something similar to this photo that was taken before September 11th.